Nu vakarorogo, mada wekaqu. Ai Valu Levu, rika mai baba ni vatu. Ona Tui Kolitaga, tamata Lamu. Uvuci ni davui Lagakali, rosi damu. Isa ai vana soli veramu. Kolitaga stands with the warrior Lamu. The conch echoes with Lagakali flowers, and red roses. And the sacred spear is handed to brave Kui. Lilici ni Vosa savu, Roko takala dalaga mekabina matam. Valu Levu sakoto veirana tukam. Mulei mau sara kai dotaga nela mulamu. Lilici ni savu, Roko takala dalaga mekabina matam. Valu Levu sakoto veirana tukam. Mulei mau sara kai dotaga nela mulamu. Mulei mau sara kai dotaga nela mulamu. The drink of book spills upon the ground. Warriors tremble as the battle surrounds. The great war now rests with the brave fighters. Oh, what a loss, yet a strong warrior rises. Via kaovi, asulu matoka. Waroka kinakawa, ona kai mavoa. Rogo rogo, keiko tu atagane maisoa. Isasa sevajina, nanona inakina tu atagane. They rush forward with courage in their hearts, marching toward Nakawa where wounds were deep. The name of Tuatagane echoes from Soa. His warrior's mission cuts deep like a spear. Cuts deep like a spear. Cuts deep like a spear. Isale ai value furu memea. Ukumai dela nakiwai mera Kosova. Kakani value rasa koroya. Ai valu tuku tuku, matani davui sakauta. Ai Valu Levu, sasuka ni sarawa. Orito falls like scattered red dust from the mountain ridge down to the river crossing. The brave warriors guard their victory. The conch shell carries news of the war. At last the great battle comes to an end. Sukaki vanu amera laki sokova. Ona Tui kokoliatagane. Samani kotome vakategu. Nakavalevu sa soli meunu nabukasa lilino. Medeka ojina ona kasevo. Karakai is shared.